The Marenza lets you tailor 3 things to your preference: volume, temperature, and the buzzer. None of these are required, but once you set them, the machine remembers. Each drink profile has a default volume. Here's how to reprogram one. Press the volume button. The LED entering programming mode. Turn the brew dial to select the recipe you want to adjust. Press the brew dial. The machine starts brewing. Watch the cup. When it reaches your preferred level, press the brew dial again to stop and save. You'll hear a beep confirming the new volume is locked in. That recipe will always brew to your custom amount from now on. Temperature. Press the temp button to cycle through 3 options: low, medium, and high. Medium is a good starting point for most people. Your selection stays active until you change it. If you'd prefer the machine to operate silently, hold the temp button for 5 seconds. You'll hear a beep confirming the toggle. Hold it again to switch back. Changed your mind on everything? Hold the volume button for 5 seconds. All custom volumes return to their original settings, and the buzzer resets to on.